Hey friends, today we're bringing a slime to life in Procreate Dreams, and I'll show you how to make it bounce, jiggle, and look super gooey step by step. Let's get squishy. I'm Chamel, and I make digital art and animation tutorials. In this video, we'll cover squash and stretch, bounce timing, and jiggle effects, all beginner friendly. Start with a simple blob, round, cute, and happy. Add eyes, a smile, and subtle shine. Green is classic, but try neon for chaos. Which color would you choose for your slime? Comment below. Do you approve? No? Fine, neon it is. Set your pivot at the base. That is your anchor point. And organize your layers so that each piece is separate. Pause here and get your slime ready. It's about to come alive. When slime hits the ground, width expands. And height compresses. Do you understand physics, slime? No? Same here. When it jumps, it stretches tall and skinny. So a mini tip, maintain your overall area. Eyeball it or measure pixels for precision. Which looks funnier, the exaggerated stretch or the subtle bounce? Comment below. I like a 12-frame loop. The first frame, he's preparing to jump. The next, he lifts the slime high, and each following frame goes up half as much. Half-life, bounce. Pair each with matching squash and stretch. Pause here and try different jump heights. Comment which looks the best. Performance mode is perfect for subtle jiggling. Tiny movements add personality. Mini tip, lower your motion filtering if it feels sluggish. Even the imaginary slime assistant can't resist wobbling. Pause here and animate your own slime bounce. I want to see your creations. Share in the comments or tag me on Instagram at chamel_doesart. Tweak eyes, shine, and little features to follow motion. Tiny touches make your slime look alive. Do you think the slime is judging my shading? Probably. Try different colors or multiple slimes. Teamwork makes it more fun. Which one of these 3 slimes are your favorite? Comment below. Loop frames back and forth. Export as a video or a GIF. Your slime is officially alive. Congrats! Your slime is officially bouncy. Tag me on Instagram, comment what you want me to animate next, and subscribe for more Procreate Dreams tutorials. Keep animating, keep experimenting, and keep it gooey. Do you think it'll bounce into my coffee? Probably worth it.